Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Monopoly Go. So guys, let's go to your Monopoly Go app. Now tap on the three lines in the right side of corner. Now tap on your profile. And guys, at first let me tell you something that in Monopoly Go game, there is no option in this app through which you can change your profile picture. But if you have connected your Monopoly game account with your Facebook, then the picture given in your Facebook profile will also show in your Monopoly account. It means that the picture you put on your Facebook profile will also come to your Monopoly profile. So if you want to change your profile picture on Monopoly Go, then you need to change your Facebook profile picture, and only then your Monopoly Go profile picture will be changed. So guys, that's it. That's how you can change your profile picture on Monopoly Go very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.